In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by accessing tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, hit the same one. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. Lastly, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to auto rotate feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!